Hello everyone, it's Gigi, and I have received an entry from Kim Grunkemeyer. Hi Kim, I did get it. So here it is. It is so cute. Thank you. Gonna open it. I think. Here we go. Hold on one sec, guys. I want to pull it out. Oh my goodness. Make sure I got it. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I'm at a loss for words. This is stunning. Thank you so very much. Oh, I can't wait to display this. This is gorgeous. I'm going to show my husband. Okay. Okay. Let me read it first, guys. Okay, I'm gonna read it. So she also has this hive that she made. Isn't that adorable? And it hangs. I love it. It says, I do not have a YouTube channel. Would someday love to. I'm on Instagram. Just started this in the beginning of 2021. I love making cards, crafts of all kinds for over 25 years. To Gigi, enjoy your special day. May your birthday be filled with many blessings. Love, Kim Grunkemeyer. Kim, is your name Kim Grunkemeyer on Instagram? I would love to follow you. My Instagram is Agape for Gigi, and this is fabulous. Oh my goodness, I will cherish this forever. Thank you so very much. You had touched me. If you haven't entered, please do, guys. Love you guys, and thank you, Kim. Bye.